Let's see if this sounds familiar. You've been going to the gym and you're just doing whatever. Just whatever exercise, trying to get rid of that fat around that midsection, which is that belly. But you don't know the specific plan and how to get rid of it. Hey, well, you came to the right video. Today we're going to talk about a really good plan for you to get rid of that belly fat. Let's tap into it. Today in this video, we're gonna go over the number one lie when it comes to losing belly fat. Then we're gonna go over a few mistakes that you might be going through or you might be doing when it comes to losing that belly fat. And I'm gonna give you a few tips on how to resolve that problem. And last, I'm gonna give you a few secrets that, hey, you can download and put into your regimen that'll help you get rid of that, lower fat. The number one biggest lie that I see floating around the internet and basically coming out of the mouth of some of my clients is that you have to do crunches all the time. No, crunches are good, but when you want to reduce that body fat, you can do the small things. You can go ahead and just go for a walk. I tell people when you start this journey, just going on a walk 3 or 4 times out the week will help you to lose that weight and that unwanted fat around, around that midsection. So throw that into your exercise plan. When I first started working out, that was all I could do. When I first got out of the hospital with my Crohn's is I would just start walking. I would walk once a week. Then I would get to a point when I would walk twice a week. Then I got to so good that I was getting 3 or 4 times out the week. That helped build up my heart rate. It helped me feel good about myself. It helped get my wind together so I knew that I would have cardio and be ready to go to the gym and create a really good plan to build my muscle. Now, did you believe that losing body fat, you could just go walking instead of just doing crunches all the time? Hey, leave me a comment at the bottom and let me know if y'all knew that. And tip number 2 is gonna be resistance training or weightlift training. So people think that you have to do, like I said, just ab work when you're working out. No, abs, your belly fat, your core, is all three, they all go into one. So when you want to lose that body fat, and primarily, like this video is, lose that belly, is you can do compound exercises. Now, I don't always just put a primer when I go into the gym and when I create my plan to just do ab exercises. I could be able to do ab exercises when I go ahead and do my pull-ups, when I'm doing overhead barbell presses, shoulder presses, dips, anything like that. You have to stay, but keep your core strong, keep it tight. So that, what it does is, it reduces that belly fat. That's how I be able to keep my stomach low. So when you go into the gym and you create these plans, when you want to get rid of this body fat, go ahead and do more compound exercises. And remember to, keep that core tight. All right, before I get into the last and third tip, man, I told y'all I got a good secret for you guys. I got some recipes for you. It's about 42 of them. Hey, they really help curb that appetite and their fat loss recipes that you can, keep your calories down. Hey, go ahead and check them out. I have them in the bottom of the description. Hey, they're for free. Go ahead and pick them up. You can pick out different recipes that you can put into your plan so you don't have to worry about what are you cooking at night. Trust me, I use these recipes all the time. So link is in the description. Just put your email in. I'll send it right to you. And the third tip on how to plan out a better exercise plan when it comes to losing that belly fat, I'm sorry you guys, is going to be throwing more cardio. I preach sometimes when it comes to slimming down, it's going to be more reps, less rest. So we got to do something. I know you guys heard of HIIT workouts. You want to go ahead and keep your heart rate up, keep you moving. Boom, 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 boom. More jumping jacks, body squats. So when you building up your exercise plans to get rid of that belly fat, you got to keep moving. As in, say you're going to do 10 squats. That's okay, do your 10 squats, but you want to keep the rest down. As in, only wait 10, 15 seconds, do another 10. Wait 10 seconds, do it again. That's constantly burning those calories, making you breathe a little bit harder. Of course, only winners are going to win. In this game of fitness, and you going in and building your plans, you have to keep stressing your body. So it's not saying it's going to be easy, but you got to put your body through a little bit of stress. So there you have it. Those are my three tips on how to plan out your exercises and how to go ahead and lose that lower belly, get that stomach flat. And if you have any other questions, I do have a program for you guys. Link is gonna be in the description. You guys wanna go ahead and get in contact with me. I promise you'll be able to hit our goals. So go ahead and give me a call. We can set up a free consultation. And you guys have any questions, leave any comments at the bottom, man. You guys have a good one.